Teespring versus Printful, which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to do another comparing contrast between two print-on-demand and e-commerce service providers, Teespring and Printful. And we're going to see which one suits better for your needs. And we are going to start with Printful. And as you can see here, Printful has an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 based on almost 70 reviews. And the rating criteria are as follows. So the value for money is 4 out of 5. Ease of use is 4.5 out of 5, which makes it one of the easiest print-on-demand to be used. Features are 4.5. Customer support, 4.5. Likelihood to recommend, total of 8.69 out of 10, which is 4.3 out of 5, as you can see here. The pros and cons. The pros are wide range of customizable and white label products, seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, high quality printing and product finishing, automated order in-house fulfillment and shipping, no upfront costs or inventory management, global shipping capabilities, easy to use design and mock-up tools, transparent pricing and competitive profit margins, helpful educational resources and customer support, and scalability and flexibility for growing businesses. The cons, however, are as follows. Potential for longer shipping times, higher pricing compared to traditional printing methods, and limited control over the product process. When it comes to Printful features, these are the features that are available. API, activity dashboard, catalog management, customizable branding, access controls or permissions, approval workflow, content management, and data import and export. When it comes to common features of shopping software, only available are API and activity dashboard. When it comes to Printful production and fulfillment, production time ranges from 2 to 5 business days to create products and fulfill orders. It automatically prints items as ordered and received and then packs them. So Printful operates a global network of 17 in-house printing facilities worldwide, such as the US, Canada, Mexico, Latvia, and Spain. Together with numerous partners, Printful can stay closer to customers globally, providing them a better and quality service. You can also earn more with Printful and Team Blue integration. If you use Team Blue, you can easily add personalized options to Printful products and send orders to fulfill within one place. The workflow is fast and simple. So you just need to have auto import products with all essential information like variants, print, material mockup, and so on and so forth. Create unique artwork with unlimited personalization for text, photos, and clip art. Publish products by combining your product base with artwork, and manage and send orders to Printful for fulfillment and shipping right in the app. Customer ratings. So as you can see here, expert score 9.2 out of 10 for Teespring. So no cost, no hassle, no risk. Unlock the power of hassle-free e-commerce with Teespring, where you can go from design to dollars without breaking a sweat. So as you can see here, customer support is 8.9 out of 10. Value for money is 9.4 out of 10. Ease of use is 9.2 out of 10. And features is 9.3 out of 10. And again, garnering 9.2 out of 10 overall rating. When it comes to the pros and cons, the pros for Teespring are specialized integrations, wide range of customizable products, multi-channel sales, risk-free and cost-effective, and built-in marketing tools. The cons, however, are as follows. Competitive market, limited design customization, and basic storefront. When it comes to the specific specifications of Teespring, the features are as follows: analytics and reports, boosted networks, customizable products, email marketing, integrations, multi-channel sales and marketing, retargeting marketing, and sales tracking. Teespring is best suited for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses. And the website language is in English. Website URL is teespring.com. Live chat is not available. Company is located in the United States, and the company is founded back in 2011. When it comes to the pricing of Teespring, the price range are as follows. Price range is free. Price types are free. Free plan is available. Free trial is not available. Money back guarantee is not available. And we will have the pricing links below. As you can see here, we're gonna have a role for Teespring pricing plans, and are going to leave you with this for a minute. All right, when it comes to free use, profit margin, Teespring is 100% free to use. You can set the selling price to your products and keep 100% of the profit. For instance, if the base cost of a t-shirt is $10 and sell it for $24, you keep $14 profit. Factors affecting base cost are design complexity and pricing discount. When it comes to product pricing, one-sided prints, the platform provides a preview of product pricing when adding double-sided prints. Boosted network, on the other hand, our items sold via the boosted network are not eligible for pricing discounts. Monthly pricing discount, all sales count. All of your item sales, including those through the boosted network, counts towards your monthly pricing discount. However, not all items receive the discount. When it comes to the boosted network is an automated feature that lists your Teespring products on multiple third-party online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. An algorithm selects products that meet specific criteria like good trust scores and past sales performance. This increases the visibility of your products without requiring you to manually list them on multiple platforms. So this is pretty much a very easy and a very effective and useful tool that would benefit you to save time and efficiency. Specialty items. In addition to standards products, Teespring offers specialty items like beanies, keychains, and even custom plush dolls. These unique items allow you to offer a more diverse range of products, making your store more appealing to different types of customer segments. All right, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.